Hey, and today we're going to be making how to do a really weird noise out of a balloon, and if you've ever lost a DVD case. Okay, so I'm watching for that. Okay, first we're going to make the weird noise out of the balloon. You just need one of them balloons what make a weird noise when you do this. Okay, I'm going to show you what happens when it goes around and makes a funny noise. But that's not the noise that we're going to be doing today. As you just saw, it did this. Today we're going to do this. We're going to blow it up.
Oh, this could be bad. Fire the torpedo.
Index.
What is it, Krabs? Just like old times. Oh, cool. Tea. No, that's manly.
That's my challenge. And then my thumb, the thumb's on the back, and then your index is there. Don't blow.
It's time to award the trophy of manly toughness to a man whose toughness has stood the test of time.
You've got to make sure it's like your index is nearly touching that bit there, and your index is nearly touching that bit there. Okay? And just pull. You see the balloons going down?
Say something. Let me spin you a manly yarn. Attaboy. So there I was. In jellyfish.
It does like
I'm doomed.
stop when you're there.
Dangerously low. And as I blew my last bubble. Did he say jellyfish? Blowing bubbles? What were you doing in jellyfish fields?
I don't know. Okay, then now we're making a DVD holder. Okay? So it's pretty easy to make DVD holder. Take it out of that. It's like origami making this because you don't need glue. What you need is like a DVD that doesn't have a case, or a DVD that you got out of its case and then do the case away. And then some A4 paper. This is this. This is yellow, by the way. I don't know why it's yellow. And what you do is you get it.
No offense, SpongeBob. None taken, Mr. Krabs. Come on, lad. Let's go.
And you put.
Wait a minute. You've forgotten something. I don't understand.
Put that there.
Admit you lost
And
your
then,
shell.
let me just pause it so you can see.
You told Torpedo Buddy? Actually, I had my torpedo removed long ago. And these aren't the same choppers that I had in the Navy. My iron eye is actually made of Formica.
And
At least my shell will grow back.
And then once you've done this, fold it just like as far as it can go down there, fold it across, just like that, and then you fold it like that, okay? And then you're going to pause it now. I'll just wait a sec. Okay, I don't know why I waited a sec. And you push this down there. It's got to go over the CD. Doesn't really matter how long, it's just got to have a little space for the CD in. And then it should end up like that if you look at the bit where the CD is, or DVD. And then what you do is, I'll put my knees like that, because I always put my knees like this. Okay, then what you do is you fold the corners into the middle. Oops. 1 second. Fold the corners into middle. Like that. And then, you push that in there. And the best thing is, it doesn't scratch. Because it's not usually on food. Okay, there we go. And then you can write like what it is. Like, this is Despicable Me. And then when you want to take it out, you just take it out. Put it there, played. Then put it back in. Put it back in there. Okay, there we go. It's very good, isn't it? And it's very useful for like CDs where you've lost the covers and stuff, so yeah. The end. Hope you enjoyed it and thanks for watching.